Today, I just created something mind-blowing using Deepseek and Make.com. I created an automation process to answer emails from customers. And I'm not talking about generic emails. I'm talking about detailed emails that answer very specific questions. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm using a hotel business for this use case. So as a customer, I'm going to send them an email asking for their availability. I'm going to give them details about the group. So we are two couples, we have a dog, we have a 3-year-old kid. Let's ask for the best type of accommodations for this group. Let's also ask them about parking spots and if they rent bikes. And let me tell you that this is something that actually happened to me in December. I wanted to take my family to a camping site in the north of Portugal, so I sent them a very similar email. And after a few hours, they replied to me with all that information, and I was so thankful, but I thought how much time these people are taking answering these emails. Not only to me, but to all other customers, including those who are not going to end up making a reservation. So I thought, could we automate this process? And I was surprised to see that it's not only possible, but it's free and it's so easy to do. So this is how I solved this problem using Deepseek and Make.com. I created a new workflow, and the first step is to connect to Gmail and listen to new emails on the inbox. When this happens, we're going to read through a document that is going to contain the prompt for the AI model and all the information for this hotel. I added as many details as possible, and the most important part of this prompt is at the top here, where I ask it to just provide the most relevant information to all emails, and for the rest of the information, this is going to depend on what they ask. So if they don't mention that they are taking pets, I'm not gonna say anything about the pet policy. Same for kids, same for the activities. So this is going to ensure that we will be able to craft tailored emails that are not overwhelming and that will answer all the specific questions from all customers. So after reading through this document, I'm using it as a prompt, and I'm using OpenRouter to connect to Deepseek V3 so it can help me craft that response. When we receive it back from Deepseek, now there's just one last step missing, which is to connect to Gmail again and create a new draft with the response. With the Gmail API, you can also send emails directly, but I just think it's more prudent to create a draft so that a human being can review it before sending it. So we produce a draft with the response for the email, and that's it. Every time this business receives a new email, the response is going to be written by AI, and it is going to be available in the drafts folder so that the business owner can just review and send it. Now let's test if this really works. So I'm going to send this email. We can see it's been already received. Now let's check the drafts folder. We can see that the answer is right here. This is mind-blowing. Look how good this is. This doesn't look like an AI generated answer at all. It's so organized, it's giving the most important information and also answering to all the specific questions from the customer. In the end, we encourage the customer to complete the reservation process by following the link. So again, it's incredible to see how easy it is to create these things today with AI, and everything for free. Think about how much time this business could save by implementing something like this. Now let me tell you that this example is part of my complete Deepseek course that you can find on Udemy. There you will learn all the basics of Deepseek. There's also a complete section about prompt engineering, so you learn how to get the best answers from any AI model. And there's also this complete section with many automation projects, so you learn how to make these things from start to finish. I'm leaving a link right below that has a coupon code, so hurry up because this is a limited time offer. Just follow the link, enroll in the course, and I will see you in class. So I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions about what I just showed you, you can just leave them in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Web Schools on YouTube to see more videos like this and support this channel. So I will see you next time.